Hello children, it is in continuation with our exercise 7.1 question number 6. Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has brought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetable and one of jam. How many sandwiches Arya has bought? He has bought 2 sandwiches, one it is made of vegetable and one it is made up of jam. The other 2 boys forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches. The 2 boys, Vivek and Abhimanyu, they forgot to bring their lunch. So Arya, he agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person have an equal share of each sandwich. How can Arya? We have to solve here 2 parts. The A part it is, how can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has equal share? And B part is, what part of sandwich will each boy receive? We have to tell that what part of the each sandwich will each boy receive. Now let's see its solution. So how many sandwiches Arya has bought? He has bought 2 sandwiches. One was of vegetable and second was of the jam. Now 2 boys, they forgot to bring their lunch. So Arya has agreed to share his sandwiches. Please understand first the question. So that each person will have an equal share of the sandwiches. In the first part, in the A part, what we have to solve, how can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has equal share. So first sandwich he was having vegetable sandwich, and in how many parts he has to divide the sandwich? Into 3 equal parts, because they are 3 friends. One for Arya, one for Abhimanyu and the last one for the Vivek. Okay, so he has divided his vegetable sandwich in 3 equal parts. First one for the Arya for himself only, second for his friend Abhimanyu and third for his friend Vivek. Similarly, for the jam sandwich also he divided into 3 equal parts. One for himself, second for his friend and second for Abhimanyu and third for his friend Vivek. So Arya will divide each sandwich into 3 equal parts and give one part of each sandwich to each of them. Okay, so how he has divided the sandwiches? Into 3 equal parts he has divided each sandwich so that each of them gets the equal share. Now the B part is, what part of the sandwich will each boy receive? See, we were having 2 sandwiches. The first sandwich was the vegetable sandwich. The first sandwich was the vegetable sandwich, which he has divided. This is the sandwich, suppose, and he has divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, so the fraction of, if I call that of the Arya, how much Arya has received? It is 1 out of 3 sandwiches. Similarly, if I talk of Abhimanyu, so he has also received, this was of Arya, this was of Abhimanyu and this was of Vivek. So Abhimanyu also received 1/3 and similarly Vivek also received 1/3 part of the sandwich. And similarly, in the same way, they have divided the jam sandwich also, and everyone received 1 part out of the 3 equal parts from the sandwich. Thank you.